Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. This is Dr. K. Vanaja, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce with the Computer Applications. In this video lecture series, we take the topic advertising. Advertising is a very much interesting topic for everyone. There is no one here who do not like advertisement, we can say. And under the marketing and marketing management, advertising plays a vital role, and as a subject as well as in the day-to-day life also. And in this video lecture series, I would like to discuss about the quite interesting topic of advertising, and especially the all the aspects of advertising and the ethical aspects of advertising. Why I am choosing this topic as ethics. Why ethics matter in advertising? As far as me concerned, advertising becomes part and parcel of our day to day life. Yes, in the current dynamic digital scenario, we cannot live one day of our life without noticing any form of advertisement. A traditional period advertisement was a fantasy, and it was a rare phenomena. That is why it was very much discussed in marketing management. But in this current scenario, advertisement starts before the business starts. Yes, everybody before starting their business, they start doing advertisement. Any project they wanted to start, they wanted to first take it to the general public, and then only they start the business. So the such a way, the digital era, advertisement becomes plays a much vital role, and which becomes a part and parcel of our day-to-day life. uh, and the type of form of advertisement here, what I mean is not only the advertisement we used to watch in our television, in our home, that is indoor advertising, but also any form of advertising. When we are sitting at our home, we used to watch television. Thereby, there in the television, we used to do. It is unavoidable to watch advertisements. Every channel, uh, they the more advertisements than the programs. And also, if we switch on any audio gadgets, for example FM, there also advertisement occupies what you call major role. And when we step out of our door, we walk on roads, we drive on roads, we used to see lot and lot of advertisements in the form of banners, hoardings, digital signboards, even in the pamphlets. Or when we start reading any newspapers, or even magazines, there also we see advertisements. And that is been even if we look into surf into the websites, internet, there also we do watch advertisements. Spontaneously we receive lot and lot of advertisements, and especially in the electronic gadgets like the mobiles, that are again become inevitable in our day-to-day life. There also we receive lot and lot of advertisements, whether we invite, whether we solicit it or not, we cannot avoid it in our life. So such a form of advertisements, what we used to watch, see, read, in any form, whether it carries a genuine matters about the product what they want to convey to the general public, the question is of course no. Sometimes the content of the advertisement, which the information which is provided by the advertisement, may not be 100% true, and which is of course by the colorful visualization, which motivates the consumers to know more about the product, and which induces, the purpose of the advertisement is to induce the customer to buy the product. And yes, those advertisements do justice for that, but whether the content of the advertisement carries ethical standards or which is 100% true means no. So that is why I've taken this topic to discuss. We shall continue discussing about the same ethics in next coming videos. Thank you for watching. Welcome.